Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create AI story videos using the Pictory for a faceless YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, open the Pictory on your browser. Next, click on the script to video to start a new project. Then here you can use the ChatGPT to generate your story by asking the ChatGPT or writing a prompt about write a short engaging story for a YouTube video. Then here copy the script and paste it into the Pictory. And here after that, Pictory will automatically generate scenes, visuals, and video clips based on your script. You can customize the video by changing the stock footage, text overlays, voiceovers, and more. You can also add a background music and adjust the timing to match your story. Once you're done, preview your video and click export to download. And finally, upload your video to YouTube and start growing your faceless channel. And that's how you create an AI story videos using Pictory. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.